the issue of illegal immigration looms large. America is a country of immigrants. Americans have traditionally been, with important exceptions, immigration friendly. I believe that that is still the case. And the way that illegal immigration makes itself felt is pretty clear. Everybody knows and everybody agrees that the United States should be admitting and retaining more highly skilled people. There's the so-called Staple Act, which would give every non-American who gets a PhD in math, science, or technology an automatic green card. There's no real opposition to that, and yet it has not been passed through the Congress because people in both parties do not want to do any immigration legislation without dealing with the question of illegals. And dealing with the question of illegals is difficult because both the Democrats and the Republicans are divided. Within the Democratic Party, Hispanic groups and politicians want basically to make it easier for illegals to get citizenship because they believe that they will vote Democratic. But an important pillar of the Democratic coalition, namely the labor unions, opposes this because illegals will undercut wages of low-skilled people. So the Democrats can't arrive at a position on this, and therefore we can't pass the Staple Act. On the Republican side, social conservatives are offended by the idea that people will get away with jumping the queue. They're offended at the illegality of illegal immigrants, and some of them worry about the dilution of what they regard as American culture. But another very important part of the Republican coalition, namely businessmen, especially small businessmen and especially the construction industry, rely very heavily on illegal immigrants because they work cheaply. So the Republicans can't agree on a position, and because neither party can agree on a position on the illegals, it's been impossible to pass the legislation that everybody knows would be good for the United States, and it goes precisely to your point, that everybody recognizes would be good because high-skilled immigrants create jobs.
I mean